and welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to talk about the prepositions of places. In this, you will learn about the different type of preposition, their contractions, and some of the preposition which is related to the second case, which is accusative. In total, we have 4 or 5 type of preposition, which is accusative, dative, genitive, and the two-way preposition. Two-way preposition means in, on, auf, like in, and, under, these type of prepositions. First of all, we will see that how this preposition works. So like you are traveling and you have to you can't say that you are traveling to any city or something. So for that you need the preposition, which is 4 of them, and it goes as house, whence, wheres, and whys. Preposition are words that link a noun to the rest of the sentence. They usually tell you about the time, place, and direction. If we compare it with the English and the German, then both has a different type of prepositions. Uses are same, but the way of making it in a sentence is different. First of all, what are the cases that we have? We have total 4 cases: nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. But if we talk about the part of preposition, then we have the preposition only in accusative, dative, and genitive. And apart from that, the two-way preposition. We will see the contractions. We can connect preposition with the article. Like as of now, whatever the articles you did, you can simply connect them. You can save this list for the future, as in this one we are just talking about the preposition of places. So rest of them you can slowly get it. So an plus das is ans, in them im, an them as am, von plus them you can connect as form, in das ins, zu dem zum, by them is byem, and zu there is zur. All these das, them, das, there, all these means the. So you can easily connect it with the preposition. What is the importance of knowing this preposition? Obviously, if you are making a sentence, you should you have to use the connectors, you have to use the prepositions, you have to make the sentence like exactly what you are saying, so that should give the meaning. Preposition plays itself an important role in the sentence. We are going to start with the accusative preposition first of all. This preposition will help you to know some of the preposition related to the places and apart from that also. So here we have bis, which means by, until, or up to. This is also a part of place, because when you are saying the train travels till this time, or the train travels till Frankfurt, so that is a preposition of place, as well as it also plays the prepositional role of timing. Durch means through or across. Wir gehen durch das Tor, that means we are walking towards or through the gate. Entlang as along. Sie fährt die Straße entlang, she drives down the street alone. Für as for. Kocht für seine Freundin, he cooks for his girlfriend. Gegen as against, which is gegen die Mauer, against the wall. Ohne, without, ohne Wasser. Has 2 meanings, at and around. So Mitternacht means at midnight. Here the important prepositions are durch, gegen, ohne, and we have bis. Für as well. So these are some of the important prepositions. Now there is some combination in and gegen. Is used at for the timing, but gegen is also used for the time as around. This is specifically for time. So for example, if I am saying ich komme gegen 8 Uhr, that means I am saying I come around 8 o'clock. But the same sentence, if I'll make it ich komme 8 Uhr, that means I am saying I come at 8 o'clock. So these are specifically for the timing. Let's proceed to the next one. Here we have some examples. Sie arbeitet für ein Unternehmen in Berlin. She works for a company in Berlin. Wir gehen durch den Wald. We are walking through the forest. Now remember one thing, that these prepositions are specifically accusative, so we have to use only accusative article with it and nothing else. Wir treffen uns wir treffen uns 8 Uhr. We meet at 8 o'clock. Sie liefen an der Straße entlang. She or they walked along the road. Der Zug fährt bis Tübingen. The train travels till Tübingen. Deutschland spielt heute gegen Mexico. Germany is playing against Mexico today. Der Zug fährt bis Tübingen. That is, the train goes till this place. Here we have some more Beispiel given, which you can just take a look that how it works with the places, with the different things. Then we have preposition of places. Preposition of places are an, auf, hinter, in, neben, vor and zu. These are also called as lokale Präpositionen. This work with the question word wo and wohin, but these are also used in a different way. We'll see the example. Gustav kommt aus einer kleinen Stadt. So Gustav is coming from a small city. Wohnt in einem Haus an der Hauptstraße. He lives in a house on the main street. Neben einem Hotel. This is also a question. It's a place. Means next to a hotel or near to a hotel. Der Mann hängt das Foto an die Wand. The man is hanging the photo on their wall. Die Frau stellt das Essen auf den Tisch. The lady is standing on the next to the table or near the table. An is on, which is vertical surface, that indicates you the vertical place. Ich hänge das Bild an die Wand. I hang the picture on the wall. Auf as on, horizontal surface. So Katja legt den Bleistift auf den Tisch. Katja puts the pencil on the table. We have different uses of these prepositions. So here we have few more example. Note is also given when German uses in English may use in. So means in is used as in only. That's it in the prepositions. You can just take a look of all the prepositions given to you: an, auf, hinter, in, neben and vor and zu. These prepositions you are going to learn further again, so that we will see in detail at that time. Main preposition that you have are these Beispiels, how we can use ohne, für, gegen, durch and lang, and some of the example. So what you can do is just try to write these examples by your own and try to frame some sentences. Till then, see you in the next session.